Start seated upright with your dumbbells on your knees. Go ahead and lay back and bring your dumbbells to your starting position. Hold them steady in your starting position and get control of them by driving your chest up and your shoulders down. Inhale as you come down and bring those dumbbells in a push-up motion towards your shoulders. Exhale as you come up. Keep your chest flexed as you exhale. Extend your arms and pushing the weight to your starting position just above your sternum. Keep going and repeat with good form for your program reps. This is a Decline Dumbbell Bench Press. I've got a decline bench and I've got my dumbbells. Let's get into it. See how she's inhaling when she comes down and flexing her chest when she comes up, and she's keeping those dumbbells over her sternum and not over her face. She's doing a great job in this movement. Keep it up.